to show you how to use SIMS Information Management System in this faculty. Also we call online attendance. First, go to https://azizaziz.edu.my/e-faculty. The username and password is similar to Sistem Maklumat Staf SKE UiTM. After you log in, this is how the portal looks like. First, click the lecture and lab, then click class list. First, you need to upload the class list. The list is from iClass. Let's say you select Group G. Then, you need to download Excel file from SIMS UiTM. Then you copy, start from kolom nombor pelajar until kolom bahagian ambil. So copy, then go back to the e-faculty and then Ctrl+V. Make sure to eliminate all the apostrophe. Next, so this is a list of students that already uploaded, and then click Confirm and Save. The attendance of the class is auto-generated. So, from the student attendance, you select the class and the group number, then click Select. The dates and time are auto-generated. This is the list of the class. After 12 o'clock midnight, the server will update the new dates and time for tomorrow class. The list here is for the previous classes. Go to lecture and lab. Please to the attendance. You can assign the person that can mark student attendance. Click Settings. Choose the course and the group number. Click Select. There are 3 options to mark the student attendance. First option is the student fill their own attendance. You can tick whether you need an attendance code or not. Second option is class representative. Fill the attendance list. You can assign maximum 3 class representative. The third option is Staf. Fill the attendance list. The lecturer need to fill up KPITM Staf. Then click Update. This video shows how the students sign up their own attendance. They need to check in their ID UiTM for username and password to log in to the system e-faculty. Then student click attendance. The student need to key in the attendance code. Then click Sign Attendance. The student can change the password by clicking Update Profile. The student needs to key in the old password and the new password. And then click Update. The student also can update email address and handphone number. This video shows how the class representative mark the student attendance. Class representative can click Status to mark all the students and then change the color to red when the student is absent or blue if the student is absent with permission.